Okay guys, and welcome to part 2 of this video. I'm actually doing 2 videos. I'm recording 2 videos at the same time, so this is going to be really confusing for me. But in today's video, or this one that's being uploaded, we're going to be putting the side skirts on Brennan's Subaru. So what we already did is his old side skirts, we're halfway taking it off. I took off that side, and on this side I have to kind of jack it up to get to the last one. So I'm doing one side at a time. But let's go ahead and go over to that side. I don't know why we're over here. So basically, these are the Street Aero side skirts. They're gonna go something like this. If you guys haven't seen, but I've installed these on a 370Z. So go ahead and check out that video. It's on my channel somewhere. So it's basically almost the same side skirt, except this one's for the Subaru. So basically, it's gonna go something like this, and then we just screw it on, and then that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on, and that's about it. It's really easy. Literally, you just put it in and screw it up. And then also, we're also gonna install a diffuser, but I'll get to that later in the video. There you go. Install is done on the side skirts. Like I said, it's really easy to install. It literally, all you have to do is line it up and screw it on. That's literally it. We even did this side. I'm gonna go and show you guys right here. So yeah, it's very easy. If you guys want to see a more detailed installation on it, actually, like I said, I did it here on this 370Z. He has the same side skirts as from Street Aero, and yeah. Huh? Oh, go ahead and follow him on Instagram right up there. And, okay, there you go. His Instagram's on the screen 3 times. So next up on the Subaru, we're gonna go and install the rear diffuser. Shut up! I'm fucking vlogging. So next up on the Subaru is we're gonna go and install the diffuser, and that's gonna end up our 2-part video. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, that's where we installed the front bumper. That's actually still being installed right over there. But there's something about where his diffuser is gonna go. But
there's something in the way.
9 seconds right. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to edit this so much now. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to that on the diffuser. I'll be a little bit more detailed on it and kind of explain what we do. But it's basically the same thing. On this car, it's very easy. All you have to do is line it up and screw it in the holes. It's very easy. But other than that, let me do a quick jump cut to where we actually start putting it on. Alright guys, so
we have a big
basically, like I said, it's really easy. All you gotta do is line up the diffuser to however you want it. This is how Brandon obviously wanted it, and it looks pretty
I'm
impressive.
Brandon.
Yeah. Oh god. Plug his Instagram, at least set. Oh. Jesus.
You too. Instagram.
My Instagram's right here.
You're gonna make so many edits.
So basically, what you want to do is after you get lined up, in the bumper, you just want to get screws and literally drill it in. If you have someone helping you, that makes it a lot better. Someone can hold it, someone else looks at it, lines it up, and that's basically what we did.
And don't forget that here. Make sure you tighten that. That's good.
Hey,
did you torque it down? Yeah, torque it down. So
basically, that's it after you do all that. And then what we're doing now is we're putting bolts and nuts, so that way it's secured up. We're putting bolts and nuts on, so that way it's secured on. You don't want to just drill it through the bumper because that can't come off. For example, let me tell you why you don't want to just screw it on and not put bolts and nuts. Because wait, is it not this side?
Yeah, that's the side. I just pushed it out really. Yeah,
there you go. Because this can happen. So, for example, we're gonna fix this today, basically by what I just said. So that's basically it for the diffuser. What we're gonna go ahead and do now is we're gonna go ahead and drop the fuck out the way. Okay. Basically, what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and finish up putting bolts and nuts. We're gonna lower the car down
with the sides, man.
I hella forgot. There's I forgot. So there's also this side piece. We're gonna go ahead and install that. But before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up there, and then we'll get to this part. Alright guys, so like I said, we went ahead and installed the side piece. Like I said, it's very easy. All you literally do is just put screws, on, and that's about it. And make sure both sides match, stuff like that. Really easy. So that's gonna go ahead for today's video. Diffuser and the side skirt was on. Shout out to everyone in the video. They're all over there. Make sure you follow them all on the gram. Make sure you check out my other video where we put that front bumper on. That has a side splitter and pretty nice transformation of this car. And that's about it. Oh, you know what? Actually, I take that back. That's not about it. We're going to put the front bumper on. Then we're going to lower the car down. And then I'll show you a full, you know, walk around of the car with the all Street Aero kit. There you guys have it. If all I'm gonna say, you got this Subaru, you better get this Street Aero kit. It's on a whole nother level. Oh, and I get this exhaust too. Alright guys, so we kind of came out here to this little area just to take photos of Brandon's car. And I'm saying, if you guys don't, please follow my mans on Instagram right here. Hold on. Damn. It shot a flame.
Shot a flame. Did it really?
A baby one.
Yeah.
There's a... Close the door, man! Ruining my video! Plug yourself, there you go. But here, I mean, the whole full Street Aero kit, if you have a Subaru like this, you know, I highly recommend getting this. This thing looks amazing now. Just that, I don't know how well the camera shows it, but, you know, in person, this car looks really good. So, you know, we're gonna take some photos. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you guys watch part 1 and part 2. Shout out to all these guys. You know, shout out to Brandon for letting him feature the Subaru on my channel.
Review coming soon.
Review of this car coming soon. That's, mark my words on that one. Shout out to these guys. They all helped out. Make sure you all follow them on Instagram. It's on the screen somewhere. And I'll see you guys in the next video.